How's it going, everybody? It's a beautiful day here in Japan. Today we're at the Cup Noodle Museum. My dude Coda Bear the Explorer right here, about to make his own personalized cup for the first time. This will be my 5th time making one of these. It's pretty cool. And then of course, it's the museum. There is a place for food up top with a bunch of different countries and stuff. So let's get inside and go check it out. Look at the big cup. All right, 500 yen per person to enter the museum. First room is going to be the Instant Noodles History Cube, which is going to be everything from 1958, where they started, going around to present day. It's interesting to see how nothing really changed until 1971, when it actually started becoming the cup. And then it just starts getting crazy. This is 2002? What do you think of like all the different flavors, man?
Well, like I was saying, this is one of my favorites.
That one right there?
The green one.
Okay.
But I don't know, they had some over there, so I don't know if it's just a flavor change, but it looks pretty similar. They have one in red too.
It goes, that's crazy how many there are, like this 2010 right here, so everything, just an insane selection for sure. These are the flavors that I'm used to, the regular seafood, curry. These look all like, the stuff. Well, then I get over here and it doesn't look like. It's just crazy. Look how big these bags are. Man. Oh, I know that one. My son has these all the time. That's his favorite right there. He's like, Dad, can I get a cup noodle? I'm like, you got it. He would love this museum. And it's the creator of Cup Noodle right here, Mr. Ando. Here's where it all started. You see the noodles are out here drying out, and he was cooking everything in here. This is cool. Coda, we should get a shop like this. Oh, he said he's down. Dude, we can do it. Do it. Do it. Little interactive room. Ooh, that looks good. Yeah, that looks good. We should get some of that. My thing turned into a flamingo, dude? This is the timeline of everything that's happened from where he started out, like I said, in the shack over there, to, well, as you can see, the development. First, August 25th, 1958, the birth of the world's first instant ramen. September 18th, 1971, the birth of the world's first cup noodles. Yeah, now I'm hungry. July 27, 2005, the birth of the world's first space ramen. And it's already time for us to make our own cup. Now it is 500 yen per cup, so you got to put all your coins in here. Almost got it. And there we go. Pick a cup. There we go. It's going to dispense it down here. Now the part that I'm not really good at. Being creative and making designs on this. And then we get to pick our different seasonings and ingredients we want inside of it. I have zero creativity. I made the cup part yellow. I did some blue highlights. And then I got Ron on the Go Turn and Burn. Yeah. I don't know. Kodo's over here doing... I mean, it looks pretty good, actually. Better than whatever I'm doing. Spin the wheel. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. I'm gonna do Koda's now. Woo! Now we go to the flavoring. Regular? Hi. I'm gonna put the flavor in. Corn? Hi. I don't know. Oh, shrimp. Hi. Next up, they're gonna seal up our cups now.
使いました。ご覧ください。いきます。3、2、1。はい、綺麗に泡がつきました。
Sealed up,
約
dude.
150度の熱と圧力で一瞬でカップに蓋をつけています。はい。フィルムが出します。お隣どうぞ。こちらのお店に置いてあるようなフィルム包装をシュリンク包装と呼んでます。
Is that shrink wrap?
フィルムから蓋蓋です。トンネルのままご覧ください。トンネルの中約120度の裏がつけて
Here it comes. Almost there. And there we go. One shrink wrapped Ron on the go cup of noodles. Success. We've made cups of noodles. Well, I didn't make a very cool one, but I made a cup. That's what's important right now. I made something. Check out this view. So we are currently on floor 4 now. 3 is where you make it. 2 is the museum. This is also where the food is. So we might grab a little something here. You hungry?
Oh, I'm hungry.
Yeah, we should eat. All right. I'm gonna get the one from Italy right there. It's my favorite here. But it has a bunch of different ones. And there's like a little bazaar. I love this place in here. It's really cool. It's got a bunch of different little shops everywhere. And then you pay by walking up to the vending machine here. You pick your pasta, and if you want a drink or anything, you put your money in, you get your ticket, then you go to the counter right there. And this is what you get. And it is one of my favorites here. Looks like Coda got mee goreng, you said?
Yeah, mee goreng. Indonesia.
Indonesia. Already ate mine. He didn't even get his food before I was already done. That's why I don't eat at fancy places. I eat too fast. Looks good though, dude. Just wrapped up eating, and we are gonna head over here to this really cool room. Look. You'll see when we get inside. All right, let's see it, dude. Wait, are you getting smaller or taller, dude? That's crazy. It's just, even on the camera, it doesn't look the same. Don't hit your head now. But in the room, whoa. Oh man. What's up? Oh shoot, I almost fell over.
Play some music, dude. Like you said,
All right.
music video.
Yeah, all right, go stand next to your cup. Let's see, like a Beastie Boys video. Oh, look at him. Of course, we got to end the day in the gift shop. Ooh. Custom cups on the way home? Huh? How much is this one? 750 yen? Let's buy some things. Oh my gosh. Cup noodle candle for 820 yen. I almost want to get that for Shelly. I'm going to get the keychain. It's 490 for 2 of these, and then are they different? Oh, they are different. And then I got the candle. I'm gonna get the candle. It looks too cool not to get. Well, everybody, that's gonna be it for us here at the Cup Noodle Museum. We made our own cups.
That was a lot of fun.
Dude, we ate a little bit of food.
A little bit, too.
We bought some things.
Yep.
And we saw some history.
History. Yeah, it was a lot of fun.
A lot of the flavors you remembered.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Would you do that again?
Definitely.
It's not bad. It's only 100 yen more than the last time I was here
not bad.
for the making the cup.
Nice.
So,
Okay.
but still, for less than
yen.
$5 and make your own custom cup.
Yeah.
That's the coolest thing I think
yeah.
possible. And you would never know because the building doesn't look like you don't expect it. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let us know you enjoyed something you saw here today. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Love the support. And it's free to do. And we've got more coming your way very soon. So thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time.